Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Luke, man. It's another day, another dollar. Hope you guys are doing pretty well. In this video, I'm going to be discussing with you how do we just focus on one idea to the point that we're able to sell more than one product to our customers and make a lot of money from them using very simple known tactics known as big ideas. So if you stick around, I'm going to be sharing that with you and the tool that I actually use to make that possible. So if you stick around, I'll be sharing that with you in a minute. All right, welcome back. Hey, I have with me 3 different products. As you can see, this product right here is the instant facelift for women, and this one over here is the anti-aging, and this one is anti-wrinkle. The problem is this. The problem I see a lot of people run into when they're trying to sell these products like this is they tend to put all the product at once in front of their customers. Not only does that confuse the customer, it actually increase the bounce rate on their website. And listen, I'm not sure about you, but paid traffic is not really as cheap as they used to be anymore. So my thing is, when I bring someone in, I better make sure that I squeeze out every possible dollar from them and ensure that I sell to them as much product as possible, but I'm not going to give them all this product all at once. Here's what I'll do in the case of all these 3 products, right? Having done my research and know which one is actually the one that people are looking for, right? So in this case, I'm going to say it's facelift. Why? Because every woman of all age can actually use facelift, right? Unlike the anti-wrinkle and anti-aging. So what I would do is put those at the back. And for the most part, make sure that your one-time product, the one that is on your page, is the one that has the highest potential of selling. And also make sure that that is the one that is so in this case, if you're trying to sell to women and you do not know which one of these products would they really warm up to, make sure you use the instant facelift in this case, because women of all ages can use it. But I'm not sure if whoever buys instant facelift will buy the anti-wrinkle or the anti-aging, right? So what I will do in this case is I'm gonna give them this one for free. When I give them this for free, when they come to my landing page, the only thing they're gonna see on the landing page is the instant facelift. That's what's going to be on my landing page. And if you want to give it for free, I'm going to tell them get this for free and just pay shipping. All right. So as soon as they get this, here's what I can do, because I know that most of the time women that use the instant facelift will also use my anti-aging or my anti-wrinkle. So here's what I'll do. As soon as they get this one for free, which of course I discussed in my other video, how you can give it to them for free and still make money from giving it for free. So as soon as they give this for free, they put in their credit card, say they want it. I'm now going to show them what is known as order bump. You guys may not see what I'm drawing, but that's fine. As soon as they say they want this, they put in their credit card information that they want this one. I'm going to show them on my order bump that, you know what, we have these other ones. These other 2, which is the anti-aging. Do not show them just one, all right? You want to show them both the anti-aging and anti-wrinkle and say, well, 97% of our customers, when they get the instant facelift, actually get the bundle of the anti-aging and anti-wrinkle because it works way better that way together. And 97% of our customers get it. And when they get this, usually we give this to them, let's say for $97. But for today, you can actually get the 2 with which this one works better. You can actually get it for half of the price of, which in this case would be around, $45 or $47.99, whatever you want to call it. So do it that way instead of just showing them all the 3 products at once and get them confused, not knowing which one they should get. This time around, you have cornered them, right? You put them in a bind because you've given them something for free, which if you know how to set it up, you already make money from these. And as soon as they put in the credit card, they say they want this one, you've already collected the credit card, show them on your order bump and say, hey, 97% of our customers actually get these other 2 in combination with that one that you just get, and it works way better that way. And for today only, we're going to give it to you at 50% discount. All right. So now you've sold them the 3 products that you want to sell them anyway. And you can switch it around. If you have 3 landing pages, you can make this one the first product, all right? and make this one your other bump, or you make this other one the first product and make the other two your other bump. So if you do it that way, you have the tendency, or you stand the chance rather, of increasing your sales and reducing your bounce rate. But if you put all the products in their face all at once, your bounce rate is going to be high and your sale will be pretty low, and you may not even have a chance of knowing which one they are going to buy and which one you can use as your other bump. So and there are all the tactics that we use inside our funnels to actually combine these three on another level and another level to the point that we can actually make it a subscription product, whereby they're going to start subscribing every month to actually buy all these products all at once. If that is something that you're interested in and you really want to understand how to do better, I'm leaving open my Facebook group, which is a closed Facebook group only for like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs who want to understand how to use the idea, the concept of one big idea to sell as many products as possible. And a lot of people get scared when they say, look, man, I have about 7 products that I want to sell. If I show them one, how am I going to sell the other ones? I said, listen, just follow what I'm telling you. I learned this from the best of the best in this industry, right? Just show them one product and just, arrange your product, your sales funnel the way I just explained it. So if there is something you really want to understand how to do better, I encourage you to click on the link below. It's going to take you to a page where you'll be welcome. You're going to be given free admission into my closed Facebook group that is known as Unlimited Traffic, Funnel, and Conversion. And as soon as you get in there, do not forget to introduce yourself to other members of the group, because we like to welcome new members. And I guarantee inside there, you're going to have a lot of values, tons of values that are actually bigger and way more put together than the one you're watching right now on YouTube. So if that is something that you want to learn how to do and do it successful like we've done, click on the link below and I will see you inside the group.